Looks like we got them all.
The time has come. I thought I would never be the type of world, but I'm getting numb.
His aura. Who the hell is he?
We need to take him down, quick. What the?
I'm just tuning the pages with the rages, nothing good, and I'm not trusting. From the right to the left.
My children, may you rest in peace.
Maybe don't know what I got this gone.
I don't think we can
This is
escape.
gonna come from
And I think Luke is thinking the same thing.
How can we get out of this? Should I eat my golden apple now?
From this tragedy, such a hard to wait for me. Face the current eternity. Please forgive me for my sins. And just weeks, lifting is setting me free. I still worry about me. Oh well. Is it too late to say sorry? This is gonna come from me. Change I couldn't be.
Lucas!
This like the fairy tales. Far from this tragedy. Such a hard to wait from me. Eternity. Forgive me for this. Just weeks, lifting is setting me free. The question on my mind. Thinking like the clicks and crumble into dust. The question on my mind. Sleeping like the clicks and crumble into dust.
I'm not dead just yet, you monster. Let's do this. Not again!
Are you the king of the humans?
Yeah, I'm the king.
Then show me.
Huh! Ha!